Which travel expenses are eligible for trial reimbursement? Imagine needing to travel for a medical trial and wondering if your costs will be covered. Knowing what expenses qualify can make a big difference in your planning. Let's walk through what you might be able to get reimbursed for when participating in a clinical trial. Most trials that offer reimbursement will cover expenses directly related to getting to and from the study site. These are the costs that help you reach your appointments without worrying about the financial burden. For example, if you drive your own car, you can often be reimbursed for mileage or gas. The typical rate is around 55 cents per mile, but it can vary. If you take public transportation like buses or trains, the fare you pay is usually eligible for reimbursement. Keep your tickets or receipts to prove your expenses. Parking fees are also commonly covered if you need to park at the study location. If you have to fly to reach the trial site, airfare costs are generally eligible, especially if the site is far away. Some trials will also pay for hotel stays if overnight accommodations are necessary. For instance, if the study requires multiple visits over several days, you might be reimbursed for a hotel room. Meals during travel or while at the study site can also be included, but only if they are directly related to travel days. Be sure to keep receipts for all meals you want reimbursed. Some trials might also cover additional costs like child care during your visits, but this is less common. Always check with the study team beforehand to see what specific expenses they will reimburse. The process usually involves paying out of pocket first, then submitting receipts for reimbursement. You will need to provide proof of your expenses, so saving all receipts is essential. Reimbursement is typically not taxable income, unlike payments for your time or participation. How you receive your reimbursement can vary. Some sites send checks, while others might use prepaid cards. It's a good idea to ask the study coordinator how and when you will get reimbursed. If you have limited resources or face financial challenges, let the team know. Many trials have support options to help cover costs or reduce barriers to participation. Remember that travel expenses are handled separately from medical costs covered by insurance. If your insurance covers doctor visits or tests related to the trial, those costs are usually paid directly by your insurance plan. Reimbursement for travel is managed by the study sponsor or site. Knowing which expenses are eligible can help you plan better and avoid surprises. Always review the trial's informed consent documents carefully. Keep all receipts and records of your expenses. Don't hesitate to ask questions about what's covered before you commit. This way, you can focus on your health and the potential benefits of the trial without stressing over how to pay for your travel.